everybody, I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making a beautiful boho Victorian mirror. The perfect little mirror for that drabby little corner in your room that needs a pick-me-up. Now, the techniques I am sharing in this video can be used on larger pieces of furniture too, and they're easy to replicate with some of my favorite tools. A Surebonder glue gun and some beautiful silicone molds from Redesign with Prima. Now, before I forget, thumbs up if you like this video, and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hi. And I love it when you say hello. Are you ready? Let's make a boho Victorian floral mirror. If you follow me, then you know how much I love filling silicone molds with hot glue. It's much sturdier than most clays and dries quickly, so you're not having to wait overnight for your pieces to dry. I like to blend different colors of green for the leaves. Don't worry about getting them perfect, we're going to dry brush over them later. Use this mirror line as a guide when you're gluing down your molded pieces. I'm layering the molded flowers and leaves to add even more dimension around the frame. If you don't have a fine-tipped glue gun to put the pearl trim around the mirror, use white school glue and a toothpick. I like to cut up old kitchen sponges. It's the perfect tool to add distressing to your projects. I'm gonna leave a link to everything I used for this video. Make sure to check out Prima Design. They make amazing silicone molds, and Surebonder. I love these companies. Thumbs up if you like this video. Leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and press that notification bell so you know I have a new video. Grab one of my craft books for inspiration, and I will see you next week. Bye.